Finally, it's harvesting day. So I've been waiting for like 2 months. Finally, today they're going to harvest the rice on my field. And I drove all the way from Chiang Mai this morning to Chendao so I can go there and help them. Also take some footages. Here's my land. I'm just sitting here right now, waiting for the farmers to arrive. So my friend told me they're gonna be here 8 a.m. but right now it's like 10. Let me see. No, 11. It's 11 already. So this is a Thai time that people never really being on time. So I would just be here waiting for them. This whole piece of land is about 7 rai. 1 rai is like 1,600 square meters. And I have mountain views both sides from my land. And my dog Lucky is here with me today. Lucky! Aww. I'm gonna buy some rice from the farmers. The price they give me is 6.5 baht for 1 kilogram. I'm just excited to experience this whole process of harvesting your own rice from the land and then send them to the rice farm and then pack them and then finally give them out to my friends and families as the first product of my farm. I like these breezes on my land. The weather is so cool. Decided to camp here because I want to experience how it feels to actually live on this land before I start to build anything. Here is my best camping buddy. We'll be camping here today, Lucky. You like it? Oh, sweet. So this is where they dry the rice. Okay, here's a nice view. So it turned out they don't need any help from me because when I remembered as rice harvesting was like this. But now, of course, all the work is being replaced by the machines. But somehow I was expected to see people working on the land instead of machines. Well, I just bought some drinks for them, had some chit chat with them. Only 5 minutes drive from my land to this gas station and the supermarket, Lotus Fresh. Although it seems like my land is in the middle of nowhere, but actually it's quite convenient here. Like I basically have everything I need. Everything here. literally everything you need. I was trying to cut the roots with this knife. Then my future neighbor sent me this guy. Now I can camp in the middle of my land. The first drop of blood is shed for this land. Fuck, I brought everything, but I forgot to bring chopsticks. So I just made myself a pair. What a convenient tool. I bought some beef sauce. This one's really convenient for camping. Gonna make some honey ginger tea. Sawadee-ka! Everyone who's passing by is saying hi to me. Like it's dinner time. Morning, everyone. So, of course, I didn't sleep well because it's extremely wet on the rice field. And you can see this mist behind me. It's very foggy in the morning. I just went for a morning walking with Lucky and I met my future neighbor. She saw me and she was like laughing and asking, "Oh, how did you sleep last night?" I was like, "Oh, not bad, not bad." Because yesterday when she asked me, "Are you sure you're gonna sleep there?" She seems like she's amused by my idea, but also she found it's ridiculous that I would actually sleep here. She must be thinking like, "Oh, these city people, you would have to pay me to sleep there." Talking about my neighbor. That's her. Huh. So they happy. My another neighbor just came to give me this sticky rice inside.
This is the third person came to offer me food. She brought me papaya and banana picked from her garden.
Kupumaka.